Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. So today we are working more with tools. So I need you to get your green science folder. Go get it if you don't already have it in front of you. And inside your green science folder, you should see the paper right on top that we're doing today. And you'll also need your notebook that should be on the left-hand side. So here's the paper we want. So science tools, and we need our notebook that's over here on this side. So for this one, you're just filling in the notes. I've highlighted in purple. There's a line underneath the word you need to write. And over on this side, you'll see some arrows. You don't need to draw arrows. I was just bringing it to your attention, all the abbreviations for the units of measurement that you need to write. I underlined the first one for you to point it out, but then it was just easier for me to make big arrows there since they're kind of squished together. So please take note that sometimes they're lowercase letters for the abbreviation, like kilogram, gram, milligram, mg. But when you get to liters, it's a capital L. And then when you do milliliters, it's a lowercase m. With an L. So it's kind of weird. Sometimes you just have to pay real close attention. So once you fill out your notes, they should look like this. And then you're ready to cut down that line. And so now we have 2 sheets of paper. We're going to be gluing them into our notebook. Please open up to the last page that we completed yesterday. It was this one. Okay, we don't really want to have any empty spaces in the notebook because these notebooks are rather small. So sometimes we'll need to skip pages, but not today. We don't want to have any empty spaces. So please go to the very next page. And I want you to glue the observation tools piece over here on this side. Notice I have some things highlighted. I highlighted the word observation, and I also highlighted some words that were in our notes that you wrote. Microscopic. In case you don't know what that word means, it means so small only a microscope can see it or will see it. Aquatic means water. So an aquarium is used as a habitat for water animals or aquatic. And this last one, terrarium, is used as a habitat for terrestrial animals, and I bet you can guess that if aquatic is water, terrestrial would be land. Okay, so I would write those words. You can see I highlighted them there. Those are some words you really need to know in 4th grade science. On the next page, oh, there it is up close for you. Okay. Then on the next page, you're just gluing in science tools, and I highlighted the word measurement. If you don't have a highlighter, that's okay. You can underline it just so it brings it to your attention. And we will be learning about all these different types of measurements. Tomorrow we're starting with temperature, and then we will move on to mass, volume, etc. Okay? So that's what we're working on today. Please take your time. Remember, the notebook pages that we work on are used to help us learn. They are tools we use to help us learn. So please make sure you're taking your time, writing down the things the way they appear on mine so that your information is correct. Okay? All right, my friends, there's nothing to submit today. There's no slide to attach. This is just you filling in your notebook pages and gluing them in your notebook, okay? All right, guys, have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.